Hey guys, it's Emily with TeacherMade.com. I'm here to show you how to digitize a worksheet and turn it into a drop-down worksheet that will grade itself. How awesome is that? Okay, let's get started. So I'm on the TeacherMade.com webpage. I'm going to go to Login, click Login. I am going to create a new worksheet here. So Create Worksheet. I'm going to give it a quick title. We're going to be working on irony in my 9th grade ELA class. So I'm going to type in irony quick check. And I'm going to give it a quick description. I want to do some kind of check for understanding. And I might even add in the site or some kind of standard that we're working on here. That can be helpful a lot of times too if you're trying to keep track of that. Anyway, we're going to go down here and you can click on this box here and you can pull anything that you've downloaded, any worksheet that you've downloaded, anything that you've made, or you can download something from another site. And when you download it, you can just drag and drop it. And that's my preference. Now for today, I'm going to choose to just show you 3 questions here. So I don't need this page, so I'm going to click off that page. And we're just going to be doing a quick check for understanding with my kids anyway. So 3 questions will do it for us. So create the worksheet. And I can't wait to show you how easy this is. Okay, so we have our toolbar up here. You have a select tool. You've got a short answer tool. You have a drop down tool, which I'm going to show you today. You've got an open answer, a matching, a multiple choice, check boxes, true or false, hotspot, and you can use this for different math things, but I'm not a math person, so we're ELA today. Okay, you can also add text to any worksheet. So if you don't like something or you want to rephrase it, I know that's happened to me before, you can erase some of the directions. Here, I'll show you how to do that in a moment. And you can type in your own directions, okay? And you can even add images for our visual learners. All right, but today I'm going to show you how I would make this worksheet work for my classroom. So I want to add a text box here so the students can put their names. Okay, you could even assign a couple points there for those to encourage those students who don't always like to sign their work, right? All right, so we're going to go down here. I don't need this explain your answer because I just want a quick check for understanding. And I want to save some time and I want to have TeacherMade grade this worksheet for me, right? Who doesn't want that? So I'm going to go up to this little tool here, color block eraser. You're going to click on that and you can highlight or box over anything that you want to erase. All right, so I want that to be gone. Now this is a short response question, but I'm going to turn it into a drop-down option today, okay? So in order to do that, I'm going to go up to the drop-down tool. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to insert a drop-down box here. After I've inserted that drop-down box, I'm going to go up to Edit Drop-Down here. When I go to Edit Drop-Down, I'm going to add another choice because I have 3 choices. And I'm going to make this worth 2 points. I'm going to add my answers in. And then I'm going to be sure to click the one that is the right answer. All right. And then I want to make sure that I save my changes. Now the students have a drop-down menu. We're going to go to the second question, and I'm going to do all of this one more time. Color block, or erase. And I want to get rid of this text box here. Okay, and then I want to choose another drop-down menu right here. And I'm going to go to Edit drop-down. And I'm going to add my choices. And then I'm going to remember that I want this to be 2 points. And then I'm also going to remember that I want to check the answer box and save changes. Now we're going to do this one more time. All right. So I'm going up here, choosing that eraser block, getting rid of this, going up to the drop-down menu, going up to the Edit drop-down. I'm going to add another choice, and I'm going to put choices in. Don't forget to set your score and to choose your answer. All right, now that I'm done, I have this saved. I can go and I can view. I can preview. This is what my students are going to see. They'll be able to choose an answer. And then they can check their answers. Okay, we have success. And I'm able to see very quickly that they've got it.